I'm really liking this look. Mandisa, yes! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Khrissy with a K. Today in this video, I'm showing y'all this really cute wig. She's kind of hot. She is hot. But she's definitely fall ready, winter ready wig. I think she is so cute. I like the way she turned out, and she was so easy to put on, y'all. Like, I literally just cut the lace and put this wig on my head. If you're new here, I do a lot of wig content on this channel, so definitely hit that subscribe button and consider sticking around. Give this video a thumbs up, and let's jump into it. Alright, so we're talking about this wig today. As you guys see, I still have my braids in. I got my braids done by Tookie. I was so excited. I've been holding on to these braids forever. So I haven't been filming because I had my braids, but I was like, you know what? I need to make some videos. So we're gonna make this work because I wasn't ready to get rid of the braids. But if you want to see how I maintain these braids and hold them up, check out my latest reel or short, or I'll show you how I freshen it up because they still look good. Tookie did it. Okay, so let's jump into this review because I know you guys been wanting the videos. I know you've been wanting the videos. So this wig is from the Outre Melted Hairline collection. It says it's a pre-styled bangs wig. It's in the style Mandisa. It's 24 inches. Now I have the color DRF Ginger Vanilla Kiss. That's a new color for me. I haven't tried this color. It's this one on the stock card, and you know I like to bring you guys the colors on the stock cards because I know y'all want to see them. Again, I apologize for not bringing you guys new videos, but I was enjoying my braids, okay? Also, make sure you guys are following me on TikTok and Instagram because I think I post the shorts here, but I don't post them all. But I showed you guys what I did for Halloween. If it didn't pass yet, I don't know how I'm gonna drop these videos. Y'all know how I do. So let's go ahead and get into this. So if you saw that reel, my Ursula reel, you saw what I did with my braids. I basically went around like this. You know, if you got braids, make these work for these wigs. I was debating if I wanted to take the braids out or kind of cut them down or whatever, but these braids look so good, y'all, that I am still getting compliments. And I mean, Tookie did my braids, so I wasn't ready to let it go. I don't like this wig cap. Hold on. So I wasn't ready to let go of these braids because people are still giving me compliments on these braids. So sometimes you just gotta freshen up your hairstyle and make it work. I think I might take it out this week. It's been like almost a month and they still look good. So I'm happy that I was able to book that. But all I'm gonna do is go in with a wig cap. You see how that worked? I'm so happy I didn't have to take these braids out because I still like them. They still look good. So I got my wig cap on and we're about to put this wig on. And for the record, Tookie, so she's a braider here in LA. She went real viral, so I was just happy I was able to book an appointment with her. Anyway, the wig, because I've been missing my wigs. So now this wig right here, this wig is a synthetic wig. It's from Outre. It's in the style Mandisa. It's 24 inches. And again, I have the color DRF Ginger Vanilla Kiss. So this is what it's looking like. It's perfect for fall. Okay, and it looks like that Vanilla Kiss is going to be right here in the front. It kind of looks like a fox to me. And then you're going to get this bang here. As far as the wig cap goes, this is what it's looking like. It looks like a standard melted hairline wig cap where you get that part in the middle. You do get an elastic band in here, some combs, and you get one in the back. This wig cap is stretchable and you can scratch your scalp, so I do like that. Let's go ahead and put this on. I don't want this video to get too long because I do tend to talk a lot in these videos, but let's go ahead and put this on and then I'm going to talk to y'all at the end.
Guess it's time to say, baby, baby, how you make me feel when you come to mind. I can't keep my cool, baby, baby, I can't hold it inside. I can't wait each day just to see you. Trying to move in close to get you where you are. Trying to be rude, baby. It's just nothing game, though I'm telling you. Baby, baby. me, so I'm telling you. Words just ain't enough, baby, baby. That's all I can use to say my intentions. Oh, baby, it's your love, baby, baby. It's a perfect situation. Cause we fit together like a head in glove. Just to be with you is all I'm begging of. Oh, yeah. What else can I say, baby? Oh, baby. We are alone. I'm singing this song to you.
Alright, my friends, so I am finished. I don't even want to say installing this wig because I literally plopped this wig on my head. Can we get a round of applause for the Plop Go looking good wigs? Yes! So first of all, shout out to this person right here, Camille. I see you, boo. I see all of you guys. But shout out to you because you said you wanted to see more Plop Go. You said you wanted to see a series. I'm not too sure about a series, but I did purchase some wigs that are Plop Go. So we might make this a thing, okay? Let's go ahead and talk about this wig. I'm gushing, y'all. Y'all know when the energy is real that I'm feeling the wig. I'm feeling this wig. I'm really feeling the way this came together. I'm really liking this look. Mandisa, yes! So one thing I have realized with wearing wigs is that sometimes you gotta put it together. I did not do much to this wig. I didn't do much to this wig, but as you saw, I accessorized. I did the makeup. I did the thing. Let me talk about this wig. So this is from the Outre Melted Hairline collection. Y'all know this collection. It comes with a standard metal lace part, you know, a hairline effect. I didn't do that. We're going to talk about that. 5 inches deep lace parting. It's a synthetic wig. Blah, 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 blah. You can't part this wig any way you like. Y'all know the jazz. Y'all know the jazz. But this is a synthetic wig, and I do love synthetic wigs. So I had to really appreciate synthetic wigs over time. I had to learn how to appreciate that we're literally getting styles out the pack. Like the curls, the colors, all of that jazz. And this wig right here is literally a Plop Go wig. I love the colors on here. I love the curls. I love the bangs. I love all of that jazz. So as you guys saw initially when I first started this wig review, I just had on like a white t-shirt, okay? Now, because this is a ginger color wig, sometimes with accessorizing your wigs, okay, you might need to do the makeup, you might need to do the outfit, you might need to do something. But I brought this wig to life a little bit more because of the colors that I'm making pop. Do you hear me? I made it pop. So, because this is a ginger wig, I saw the orange in here and I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and put on my orange sweater. And this sweater, by the way, is really nice. I am getting so hot in this sweater. I'm going to leave a link below, but this is a nice sweater. Y'all follow me on Instagram or TikTok and see how the sweater is looking. But I also went in with my lippy. I went in with this NYX, what color is this? Getting Calentine. I just put this with a little bit of my Fenty and I made the orange pop more so you can see the color. And that's what you need to do with some of these styles. I didn't put heat on this wig. I didn't do too much to this wig. I did go in with my synthetic wig sprays, but that's it. I like the highlights in here. I like the ginger mixed with the browns and the vanilla. Like she's cute. Initially, I didn't know how I would feel about this, but I think she's very pretty. I think this is definitely very pretty. I am getting some snags in here, but y'all know the drill. It's a synthetic wig. Walk around with your brush, get your synthetic wig products, and you'll be okay. These synthetic wig products do make a difference with gliding your fingers through it temporarily, but it makes a difference. And after you're done wearing them and they start getting a little hard, get Brandy Wine shampoo and conditioner, duh, and bring it back to life. Now, this is from the Melted Hairline. You're gonna get a hairline effect. You can wear this wig up if you like, but I didn't melt this wig. I put her on my head like a hat. Do you understand? Because of the bangs, you can get away with that. I didn't have to melt this wig at all, and I love that. Now, going in maybe next time wearing this wig, I might melt her down to get that hairline effect and put her up. But right now, she is working with a Plop Go. She is literally working with a Plop Go because of the bangs. And I'm here for it. I absolutely want a natural color in this. It has a lot of other pretty colors like that red velvet, creamy top. So many pretty colors in this wig. You can make this wig work. You got to make these wigs work for you. I just went in with a little bit of concealer in the parting space and powder to match the lace. But what lace am I matching? You're not really seeing it. You're not really seeing that. This is a perfect holiday ready, fall ready wig. It's looking like Thanksgiving. It's looking like, she's looking like I know what I'm doing in life wig. She is absolutely that. The bangs don't need to be customized too much. I did trim it up just a tad, but you don't need to. You could either pull her back or trim her just a little bit, but I like this wig. I think she's cute. I think she's absolutely a plop and go. If you guys have other wigs that you want to see, let me know. I do have some coming up, kind of plop and go wigs that are very easy. So usually the bang wigs are full cap wigs. That's going to be a plop and go. I love the fact that you're getting this lace in the middle because it makes it look more realistic. And I love the root. I love the dark root in here with the ginger highlights. So it's very pretty. The curls on here are so nice. Now, this is 24 inches. This is all the hair to the front. And in the back, I think this wig is perfect for fall, for winter. I am getting hot in this wig. This texture is definitely more of the like thick yacky, kinky textured wig. And I'm definitely feeling the heat in this. So this is definitely fall ready, winter ready, and I think she's a beauty. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this one. I don't have much else to say except she's cute. And as far as glueless, I didn't put any adhesive. I told y'all that. I told y'all that. I mean, I like the layers. I like the curls. I like everything about this wig. If you're new here, I will try my best to link as much stuff as possible down below. The lippy, the nails, the hair, the sweater, all that jazz. If it's not linked there, please let me know in the comments and I'll try my best to upload a link. But for the most part, I do try to link whatever you see in the video. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye!